my name is Katie and welcome to my home. I built her all by myself, and I know, I'm sure you are wondering like how exactly my van works. Right now I want to go through a tour of everything, of all the basic needs and how everything functions. I know I haven't quite done that yet, and maybe we'll go over a few things that I like or I don't like about the van. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you, because this is the one that I get the most questions, is my bed. How do I sleep? So you can see that I could sleep like, you know, just on this, but this is just, I've slept on it, it's not as comfortable. So the way the bed works is this comes out just like that, and then this cushion comes down. As you can see, it's a really nice bed. It's got some nice coverage. I've slept 2 people in here. It's pretty comfortable. I also have, so up here, I have a bed topper right there. I also have more blankets. They're all in the wash right now though, but I have more blankets in there and stuffed in here, and 2 pillows. That's where I keep all my stuff. But yeah, the bed topper and the sheet, that goes on top with another blanket. It's actually really, really comfortable. Now it's not a mattress, but you know, I got these cushions from At Home, and they're not bad. Like, I sleep really good. I like sleeping in here. I love it. It's very cozy. You're just kind of in this little home, and it's cozy. It gets cold, but it's cozy. And the other thing, right here, you can see this handle. So this is just where all my electrical work is. So I have 3 lithium batteries in here. I have 3 solar panels up top, on top of the van, along with a DC-DC charger, so while the car is running it also charges my batteries. So that's all in there. My little sink area. So this is where I get ready in the morning, do my hair, do my makeup, just my whole thing. This is a battery powered light. Yeah, my little thingies. I take supplements every day, so that's my little supplement thing. And these are my kitchen little utensils. There we go. So now with my water pump, I can't leave that on while the car is running, while the car's moving, but I need my fridge on. So I put a switch in, and it's down here. Now, if I had to redo this van, I would switch this. This switch was one of the last things I installed. I didn't really think that I would need a switch for my pump, but I didn't know. This is my first time building anything like this, so my switch is all the way back here. I would love for it to be more accessible. And hear that? Yep, just turned it on. But yeah, now we have water. This is my kitchen, my little sink area under the sink. I got these from At Home, great for storage. All my plumbing's back there, my pump is back there. You can see up there, that's where my little switch is. Okay, and then from the sink, and we come down here, it's just more counter space. I love having so much counter space. This is the one big thing that I wanted. Right here is my little water spout, so this is how I fill up my water tank. If I had to change another thing, I would put this spout more to the back. I was going to my little brother. He convinced me not. Now we both know that was a big boo-boo, but it's okay. And then down here, so I have storage down here. I have this. These were from Amazon. Love it. I got them because I didn't want to have to reach in and pull stuff to get to stuff. So I have 2 of these. I also have this little drawer that's, you can just kind of pull stuff out. I got that from Walmart. It just kind of fit in there. This is my pantry. This is where I keep all my stuff. These are like little baskets that are velcroed in. This is a table that you can pull off and it folds out to a table. But I also have the outside shower thing. I've only used it on Anna. I don't use it for myself. but I could if I wanted to. This is also how I, oh, well, ignore those, but this is where my propane is for the stove. That's how I'm able to access that. And then this little door, so this is how I'm able to pull my toilet out. So whenever I need to empty it, I can. That's my broom. Yes, my broom wanted to say hi. Hi. It's pretty dope, right? It's pretty cool. Okay, then we have under the closet. So these are just baskets that I have. So each one's filled with clothes. I have this whole basket for my underwear and stuff. And another basket, just baskets after baskets. And then down here is just more miscellaneous stuff. Hey guys, so I actually didn't go over the closet in that video, and I actually lost the video because it was so long ago that I made that. So I wanted to show you guys my closet. This is like my favorite part of the entire thing. So I have my closet, full rack. I have this little shoe holder, stuff holder, all my clothes. What is this? What am I looking at? I also have a shoe thing. You can see it's coming down, but I need to put something there. And then over here is where all my jewelry is. And me. Alright, and now we are onto the fridge. This is the fridge. Right under here, I also have a latch, and here is the freezer side. And then down here is more storage. So since I lifted the fridge up so I can, you know, get to it without bending over, I had some storage space, so I just got miscellaneous stuff down there as well. So this is my TV. I do have a Roku little thing on it. If you look behind here, little thing here. So this little Roku thing, you know, lets me to watch Netflix, Prime, YouTube, Hulu, HBO Max, pretty much anything I want. I do have to get internet on a second phone, which I have a second phone. And then up here, so up here is my PS4. I used to play more, but I haven't played in a while. Maybe I should play. Ooh, that's not a bad idea. I used to play a lot of streaming and I want to get back to it. I actually have a little webcam that I haven't attached yet. This right here, I have 2 controllers. This is a little thing I have Velcroed on here just to hold random stuff. This is Velcroed up. I only have 1 light switch. And then so my heater, so the heater comes out of here, and then heater comes out of here, the heat comes out here, and down there is a combustion air that sucks air in. So this is my heater. I also have more storage. That's all my art stuff, gasoline, diesel. She's a really cool heater. I can actually set her to turn off and on at certain times, which would be really cool to use. I don't need it now because it's actually pretty warm here, which is nice, but I'm excited to use it when I go to Colorado in a couple weeks. And so this is really nice. I got this cute little table to, you know, come out. It holds pretty well. I like to just kind of hang out here, and it's a great view of just having outside right here and right there. I also have these little sweatlit lights. They're all independent to themselves. It's just a little light. That was back when I didn't have electricity all the time. And then right up here, so right below from my seating area, is a fan. So I do have a fan up there. It can either suck air in or blow air out. It's really useful because it's right above the bed and it can get hot. It's nice to have something blowing on you. And this is where the controller is. I just keep it right here. But I can also manually do it up there. I also have one back here as well. So right here. So this one can blow or suck as well. I put it above this so it can exhaust all the fumes out, and my controller is right there. But yeah. Okay, so I'm sure you're wondering about privacy. with my windows, right? So like, what if it's night out and I want my lights on? So me and my grandma, well, I bought this fabric, this stuff on Amazon. It was for just a regular window, and then I sewed in these magnets. Right there, there's one right there. I mean, me and my grandma did it together. So it just kind of sits up here. There we go, and it's closed. I have 2 more for the back windows. Look like this. They just sit right on over it. It's perfect. And then the last piece is the cockpit. So there's 2 ways to get into the cockpit. There's this way. Anna! Hey. So this is the wall. This is my partition wall. On the other side, there's the door. So these are all my electrical cords. They're just kind of all wrapped into themselves. It goes down there and then into a hole on the other side. But yeah, it's pretty chill up here. I did just clean this van, so it's looking nice and good and less hairy. Right, Anna? Right? She's so cute. Okay, so I guess what we need to talk about is, let's talk about the things that I don't like and let's do the things that I would love to change, and then my one favorite thing about it. So the things that I would love to change is, I think my bed is too tall, so I put it way too tall. It's really far off the ground. To get on top of it, to sit on it, your feet will dangle, and it's really, really annoying. Second thing I would like to change, my cabinets. So these cabinets I bought from Wayfair, and they're not great. They are just not great. They're not evenly aligned. You can see those 2 over there. They're just not great, you know? And I would like to probably just change those out and put in ones that I would make maybe in the future if I feel like it. I don't know. Another thing I would change is the water pump switch. I already told you that. I would make that more accessible. Maybe put it like right under here or under me right now, like somewhere around there. That would be great. I think that's it. I don't really hate anything else about it. I love where my fridge is. I love where it is. I love how the bed turned out. Even though it's too tall, it's fine. I still sleep really well. I like my little partition wall. I love this little door. This door is probably my favorite thing in the entire world. I love my TV. I love my sink. I love my faucet. I love my stove. I love my oven. I love where everything is located. And yeah, I think that's about everything. I mean, I love this van. There's really not much about this van that I would change. It's everything I've ever wanted. It came out way better than I even thought, you know? Building it was a huge freaking, just a huge life change, a huge lesson. I've learned so much building it that I could do it again. I could build this again and make it way better too. Yeah, it was fun though. It was challenging, but it was fun. I'm so happy I did it. I ended up building it myself. I wouldn't change it, you know? I went through a lot building it. It's put me through a lot of emotional breakdowns, you know, when things aren't going my way. But it's okay. All I had to do was just walk away for a day or 2 and come back. And at some point I was done. I was just done. It was funny because when I was done, it snuck up on me. I didn't know I was so close. It was whenever I finished all the cabinet doors, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like done. I was just in shock that I was done. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe. I do post weekly every day, either on Monday or Tuesday. It depends on when the video is edited and ready to go. But 100% once weekly I post. I just finished all my chores and now I just gotta get through the Christmas, see everybody, and then it's on to the road. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll see you guys later.